Let's start with the differentials. Approximation by differentials. And what are the differentials? You are knowing about the differentials, but let's go once again with the what basically the differentials are. Okay, now let y is equal to fx be a differentiable function of x. Okay, we are going with the function let y is equal to fx be a differentiable function of x. And what you have learned in class 11th about the first principle about the ab initio. Okay, so now let delta x be an increment of independent variable. Okay, increment of independent variable x, and delta y the corresponding increment of the dependent variable, corresponding increment of the dependent variable y. Now we are having y is equal to fx. Let it be equation 1. Now adding the small increment y plus delta y is equal to f x plus delta x. Let this be 2. Now subtracting subtracting 1 from 2, we are having delta y is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx. Okay, this you have already done by in the first principle. Now we are having delta y is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx. Now what is this delta y? To delta y what we can write it? Okay, no, I am just writing here the theoretical part. Now dy by dx, we are knowing dy by dx or f derivative x, one and the same thing, dy by dx or f derivative x of a function y is equal to fx is equal to now f derivative x is equal to what? It was equal to limit delta x approaches to 0 delta y upon delta x. Okay, now dy by dx or f derivative x of a function y is equal to fx is equal to limit delta x approaches to 0 delta y by delta x. This we have done in the limits. Okay, and now we can write it delta x, we can write it now delta x and f derivative x with delta x separately and f derivative x with delta x. Okay, these two things are called independent variables of x and the differential of the dependent variable dependent variable y. Now once again, now first thing was that to dy by dx we are putting, when we are having delta y upon delta x and delta x approaches to 0, we are saying that we have done a differentiation. Okay, so that word we have written here, dy by dx or f derivative x of a function y is equal to fx of this function basically is equal to limit delta x approaches to 0 delta y upon delta x. One thing, now delta x and f derivative x into delta x, what are these? These are called the independent variables of x and the differential of the dependent variable y. Okay, because we are getting f derivative x as we can write it dy by dx. Okay, now some basic things is clear for the differentials. Now the differentials of the variable x and y are denoted by dx and dy. Next thing, the differentials of the variable, we are using word differentials, isn't it? Now the differentials of the variables x and y are denoted by dx and dy, and we can write it therefore dx is equal to delta x and dy is equal to f derivative x with delta x. This is the main basic thing. Okay, this is the main thing. We are having now the differentials of the variable x and y are denoted by dx and dy. Dx can be written with delta x and dy will be written as f derivative x times delta x. Okay, now the main thing what we are going to write it, we are write it now dy by dx is equal to f derivative x with delta x upon delta x. Now what this becomes? This becomes f derivative x. Okay, f derivative x with delta x divided by delta x and delta x cancel, so we are left with f derivative x, so we can write it dy by dx is equal to f derivative x. Now what is dy? We have already written the differentials of the variable x and y, so dy differentials of y upon differentials of x is equal to, now differentials what it is, basically it is dy and dx. Okay, differentials of y upon differentials of x is equal to differentials coefficient of y with respect to x. Okay, so this is what the differentials are. This is a brief introduction about the differentials, that basically what differentials are. Okay, simple things.